Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for bankruptcy. First, you need to understand the two main types of consumer bankruptcy, Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. Chapter 7 is often quicker, while Chapter 13 involves a repayment plan. Deciding which one is right for you depends on your income, assets, and debts. Once you have a general idea, start gathering all your financial documents, including tax returns, pay stubs, and bank statements. This preparation is crucial for a smooth process. Before you can officially file, you must complete a mandatory credit counseling course from an approved agency. This course helps you explore alternatives to bankruptcy. Next, you'll prepare and file a comprehensive set of forms with the court, including your petition, schedules of assets and liabilities, and statements of financial affairs. Finally, you'll need to pay the filing fee, which can be several $100s, or apply for a fee waiver if you qualify. Once your forms are ready, you'll officially file your bankruptcy petition and all supporting documents with the court. After filing, you'll receive a date for the meeting of creditors, often called a 341 meeting. This is a crucial step where you'll meet with your trustee and any creditors who choose to attend. Be prepared to answer questions under oath about your financial situation. This meeting typically lasts only a few minutes. After your 341 meeting, you'll need to complete a second mandatory financial management course. If you filed Chapter 13, you'll begin making payments according to your approved repayment plan. For Chapter 7, the process moves towards discharge more quickly. Eventually, if all requirements are met, the court will issue a discharge order, legally releasing you from eligible debts. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.